Good morning children and welcome to the online teaching session. Students, in the previous video, we have started kinds of adjective and in that I taught you adjective of quantity, adjective of quality and adjective of number. Now today we'll do demonstrative adjective. Okay? Now see children, the meaning of demonstrative is just to point someone. Clear? If I am pointing like this, then that is called as the demonstrative. Okay? Now see what is the meaning of demonstrative adjective. Words that are used to point out. Okay? Specific person or things. Now, in place of person or things, even we can write down noun. Words that are used to point out specific noun are called demonstrative adjective. Okay. And see some examples. This, that, these, those, such, former, etc. So, we can say that a word which is pointing out towards the specific noun is named as demonstrative adjective. Now, it will become more clear by the example. Suppose if I write, I hate such things. Okay. Now see children, here the word such is automatically pointing out things. So we can say that this such is a demonstrative adjective. Clear? One more example, see. Suppose if I write the former presentation was good. Okay. So, I am talking about presentation and we are saying, we are pointing out towards the former presentation, the earlier presentation. Then, this word will be your demonstrative adjective. Okay. Now children, if you remember the pronoun and the definition of pronoun and its kind, I think so you all have read this thing in the previous section also, in your previous class 6, about something about the demonstrative pronoun. If you remember, then there also we have used this, that, these and those. And here in case of demonstrative adjective also we are using this, that, these, those. So, can you guess the difference between the demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun? So that if in a sentence demonstrative adjective or pronoun is given, then you can easily distinguish between them. You can easily understand that where is the demonstrative pronoun and where is the demonstrative adjective. Now see, I am just telling you the difference between demonstrative adjective with demonstrative pronoun. See, suppose if I used to write here demonstrative adjective and if I write demonstrative pronoun. Clear? Now this, that, these, those. These words are used in both the demonstrative form. In case of demonstrative adjective, what this demonstrative adjective does, this demonstrative adjective modifies the noun, okay, and is always followed by the noun. Okay. See, I have written the demonstrative adjective always modifies the noun. First point. Second point, it is always followed by the noun. Followed by the noun. Now see, suppose if I used to write one example, the car is expensive, or this car is expensive. Okay. Now see children, here you can see the word this. Okay. Now this is demonstrative. Clear? Because it is pointing out to the car. Now, whether it is demonstrative adjective or demonstrative pronoun, it will be clear by this word. And this is car. And what is the meaning of demonstrative adjective? That is, a word modifies the noun. Now here, this is modifying the car. Okay. What it is modifying? That car is expensive. And this word is followed by the car only, followed by the noun only. And that's why we can say that this is demonstrative adjective. Now see what happens in case of demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun, okay, takes the place of a noun phrase. Now see the difference. Demonstrative pronoun modifies or takes the place of noun phrase. Okay. It comes before the noun phrase. Before the noun phrase. So what we can write down? It is not followed by noun. Not followed by noun. Okay. Now suppose if we write, this is my car. Now see children. Here, this is a demonstrative pronoun. This is not demonstrative adjective. Because, very simple children, if you see that, just side of the this or that or these or those, if some noun is given, then that will be your demonstrative adjective. And if along with this, that, these, those, if you see some noun phrase is given, noun phrase, I have already taught you, is my car, noun phrase is given, then that will be your demonstrative pronoun. Clear? So this is the difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Now we will see the next kind of adjective, and that is distributive adjective. Okay. Now see the next one, distributive adjective. Okay. They are adjective that refer to each one of a number. Each one of a number. That is, if a word is representing all the nouns one by one, then that is called as distributive adjective. Normally, these distributive adjectives are used with singular nouns. Clear? They are used with singular nouns. So what we can say children, the word that is used before noun, and if it refers to each of the number, then that is called as a distributive adjective. Now for example, we have each, every, either, neither. This is called as adjective of distributive or distributive adjective. Now see children, I have noted down some sentences. Suppose if I read one sentence, the group received informational brochures before beginning of its tour. So, while reading this statement, it is not clear at all that whether everyone of the group has received some information or not, because the sentence is written as the group received informational brochures before the beginning of its tour. Only the group has received. Whether everybody of the group has received or not, it is not clear. So, if we write something, what to write? Suppose if we write each member of, okay, then what will be the sentence now? Each member of the group received informational brochures before beginning of its tour. So this will be your distributive adjective, because after reading the sentence including this, we will see that each and every member of the group has already received some information. So this is called as distributive adjective. One more example, we can write every participant. Okay, now see children, from every participant, it is 100% clear that each and every participant was asked to complete survey. So this will be your distributive adjective. See one more example. I'm erasing it. Okay. Either of these movies would be interesting to me. Either of these movies would be interesting to me. Now from the sentence itself it is clear. Either of these movies, whatever were the movies, either of these. So again we are expressing each and every movie. So this either will be your distributive. One more example. Neither pen will do as I need a pencil to sign. Clear? Now see, neither pen will do. This neither is representing each and every pen is of no use, because I need a pencil to sign. So, neither pen will do as I need a pencil to sign. Here again, neither word, either word, every, and I wrote each of the member. So, this each, all these words are named as distributive adjectives. Clear? So, this is all about distributive adjective. In the next part, we will see the next two kinds of adjective. Thank you, children.